In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a column in Google Sheets, a fundamental skill that can make organizing your data much easier. Whether you're planning to tidy up your spreadsheet or you just want to have everything in a particular order, moving columns in Google Sheets is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open and ready. If you haven't already, navigate to the spreadsheet where you'd like to rearrange the columns. Now find the column that you want to move. For example, let's say you want to move the column labeled B. Click the letter at the top of that column. This should highlight it completely, making it easier to move. Once your column is highlighted, place your cursor at the top of the highlighted area. You'll notice your cursor changing to a hand symbol. This is your cue that the column is ready to be moved. Click and hold with your mouse or trackpad, and drag the column left or right, depending on where you want it to go. For example, if you want to move it to where column D is currently positioned, drag it over to that spot. A crucial thing to remember is that as you drag the column, you'll see a dark vertical line that acts as a guide, showing you exactly where the column will be placed when you release the mouse button. Use this line to ensure your column will be in the desired position before letting go. After aligning the column in the intended spot, release the mouse button. You'll notice the column slipping perfectly into its new position, shifting the surrounding columns seamlessly into their updated slots. This straightforward method keeps your data intact without losing any information. If you make a mistake or change your mind, you can easily undo the action. Simply click on Edit in the menu bar and then select Undo to revert to the previous layout. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. And there you have it. Moving columns around in Google Sheets is a quick process once you get familiar with these simple steps. By using this method, you can reorganize your data to better suit your needs, making it easier to keep track of your work. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to try moving multiple columns until you're entirely confident with the process. Knowing how to efficiently manage your spreadsheet layout can significantly optimize your workflow, especially when dealing with large sets of data. So, go ahead and give it a shot on your own spreadsheets. I'm sure with a little practice, you'll be doing this effortlessly in no time. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes peeled for more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets. Stay organized and have a great day.